Hi everyone, welcome to week 2. So last week you did a great job. I really enjoyed watching your self-introduction video, and also I hope you already had a very good understanding of the course syllabus. And this week we are going to learn something about the youth and digital culture. And now I'm going to show you the week 2 page. So this week we have 5 tasks in total. The first one is to watch this introduction video. And the second one is to read and understand the main aims of this course, because I think it's very important. It's a very important guideline for your future learning in this course. So please read them very carefully. And the third task is a flip grading reflection. So before you start your reading, I really hope to learn some your initial ideas about this week's topic. So please use these guiding questions to do the flip grading introduction. And the fourth assignment, so it's a reading assignment. So please finish those 3 readings. We have 3 articles in total. One thing to note that for the last reading article, so you don't need to finish the whole book. You only need to read the chapter, create a production on pages 243 to 249. 294. So you don't need to finish the whole book. And when we are doing the reading, you can use these guiding questions. So that's very important for you for the next assignment, for the next discussion assignment. So the last task this week is to complete our discussion activity. So we have 2 parts. The first one is due this Sunday, so you need to use this link as a week 2 discussion activity. So in the future weeks we will use the Canvas system discussion forum as a discussion forum in this course. So you can just use this link to go to the discussion forum and share your reflections. So those are the guidelines for this reflection. So please read them carefully before you start your own reflection. And part 2 is due next Tuesday, so you need to reply at least one of your colleagues. So please provide very high quality feedback. So that's very important for this course discussion. So that's all for this week. If you have any question, please send an email to me. I'll reply as soon as possible. Hope you will enjoy this week, and see you next Wednesday. Thank you.